are you? It's Friday. Happy movie night. We got our movie night snacks. I'm so happy we're back to our movie night routine. I think we did it we did it last week, but then I forgot about popcorn, but Justin brought some after he got the snow tires, I remember. I feel like that was just like yesterday or a few days ago. Like time went by fast this week. Do you guys feel the same? Because for some reason it just feels like it went by too fast. Dang, these biscuits are amazing. Keep on doing it, bud. They look so yummy. Whoa, buddy. Keep on making those yummy biscuits. I want the recipe. Yeah, you guys gotta stick together, kiddos. My little buddy. He was making biscuits earlier. I don't know if you can see this, but like I can feel his little bones, and it's so sad how skinny he's gotten. It's okay, buddy. You're still doing well, buddy. Look at those little biscuits. Oh, little buddy, I love you. Hi, gorgeous. Boys wanted to watch Claws tonight, so that's what we're watching. I can't wait till this house is furnished. By the way, I got an online designer to help with this space, so I'm really excited. Like, I sent photos. She asked me if I was okay with switching this chandelier, and I was like, oh yeah, we're not really. I mean, it's cute, but it's like, I'm happy. I'm open to whatever, you know. I just said I would like to keep the couches because I just bought that, and then also that, and then the TV is now mounted, so I want to keep the TV, of course. But whatever else she wants to add on to it all would be so nice. Yeah, I think maybe a new light. I don't know. This is what Justin wanted to do. We got automated windows. Hello, my friends. It's 8 o'clock. I'm over here making some cookies. The Big Fat Chewy chocolate chip cookies. They're my favorite. If you haven't tried it, my friend, what is you doing? Like, honestly, like, it's the best chocolate chip cookie recipe I've ever tried. It's crispy on the outside, chewy on the inside. It's so yummy. Except make sure your oven temperature is right, because I made it last time. The oven temperature was off, and it was kind of weird, and that's why I was like, it wasn't as good as it could have been. So I'm gonna use a little mini one to bake, and I think I'm gonna save it till tomorrow, because we're going to Sharon and Steve's house for lunch. By the way, we decided to give up on that designer from Crate & Barrel because it's been weeks, didn't get a call, nothing. Like, literally, we were ghosted. And so I actually called because I was all like, I'm going to give him the benefit of the doubt. Like, that's weird that someone would just ghost us when, like, it's literally their job to, like, have clients, right? And so I called and I was like, oh, does this person still work here? Because I understand turnover. Like, when I used to be a preschool teacher, it's not the same as working at a Crate & Barrel. But when I was a preschool teacher, there was a high turnover. Like, a lot of preschool teachers would just leave without even saying nothing. Like, you know, so I get that. And so I was like, oh, maybe he quit. Or I don't know. I have no idea. I know nothing about him except the first time I met him. And he was so nice. Like, incredibly nice. Just so kind. So I was confused. I was like, he can't just ghost us. Like that's weird. And I thought, oh, maybe he got the wrong email. But nah, he got the right email. He confirmed because he finally called us back because I called them. And he was saying something like he was busy because Justin answered the phone because they got his number, not mine. And like, we were like, you know what? I think we give up. Like, as much as I wanted to give my business to Crate & Barrel because I like their furniture, I will just do it on my own without the free 99 designer there. But it would have been nice for them to kind of like piece things together. So I decided to use an online designer instead. I'll let you guys know when things happen and all the stuff. I just gave them like a Pinterest inspiration board that I have. If you guys want to see it, I can put the Pinterest board down too. I like greens and browns. I like yellow, which does that match? I don't know, but I like that. I like wood. Yeah, so that's like my description for the living room area. I was like, these are the furniture that I have, and that's all I have. Like, I have nothing else. Please help me design my home. I'm gonna start out with the living room area and the dining room space is like a combo that I paid for. And then, yeah, I'll let you know, girl. I'll let you know. Because a lot of you are like, oh, you can do it yourself. No, I can't. Not everyone has to be good at everything. And I can fully admit, like, I suck at this. Like, it's not, I don't have an eye for it. So I actually want to, like, get help. And I don't think that's bad if you want to, you know, and if you have the means to do so, like, it's okay to do that, my friend. It's okay. You don't got to be good at everything. It's like telling someone you don't need a personal trainer when they actually want it. Yeah, no one needs it, but do they want it? Yeah. So let them sculpt their body to the way they want. Like, Justin used to have a personal trainer, and let me tell you, he didn't need a mirror. But Amir did something to the man, okay? He did. Okay, we miss you, Amir. Okay? He's in California, and, you know, we moved. And then he was great, though. Like, during the pandemic, he was such a great trainer. I even trained with him sometimes. He was hard. Good morning. The cookies are ready. You know you want some. It is the All Recipes Big Fat Chewy Chocolate Chip Cookie. I have been telling you friends about it for years. It's still my favorite. It's 11:30. We're gonna go to Sharon and Steve's house, Bubby Saba's house, and have lunch there. I feel so lucky. This week I got to see the family, or baby, for Tuesday. Thursday they came over for pizza. I mean, not pizza, it was burger. Pizza was for all the repair friends that did the radon mitigation, the lighting, our repairman. We had leftovers though, so we sent some pizza over to Jessica. What else? And then today, this boy's a cookie addict. I gave you a cookie this morning. I let you have a piece.
You did?
You forgot? Remember that piece? Was that like just not something you remembered? Yeah? Do you remember it now? It's me, the baby hogger. Liam said I hog the baby. I do. I admit to that. I just love him so much.
I love him too.
Look, we're matching. Look how cute he is. And you don't want another one? You lie. Oh. So a lot of you friends mentioned Culvers is a really good fast food restaurant. So for dinner, we just left Bubby's house. We're getting Culvers. And they have sweet tea. They give drinks first and then you wait. You don't get the food in the drive-thru is what I learned. You wait and then they bring you the food. The cheese curds are good. Look at this fish sandwich. That looks good. Can I say thank you to all of you friends that recommended Culver? Because I don't think I would have ever tried it. I'm like, oh, another fast food place, whatever. That place was good. My fish sandwich was delicious. The fish was a cod fish sandwich. And it didn't taste fishy at all. They have sweet tea. Girl, I've been missing sweet tea. I love sweet tea from Popeyes. I haven't seen one around, but I know they got Popeyes here too, right? Justin said his chicken sandwich was a little too crispy, so he didn't like his as much as he liked my fish sandwich. I let him try that. Jacob got the jumbo shrimp. Oh, that was yummy. Liam got a burger. He liked that one too. We got cheese curds and fries. The roughly looking fries were good. The cheese curds were good. But I'm going to be weird and tell you this. Have you tried Dairy Queen cheese curds? Because the cheese curds in Dairy Queen, something about it is delightful. I just had to share. Oh my gosh. So Justin's looking through boxes since we just got home. Check this out. I haven't vlogged with a vlogging camera in a minute. I love this thing. So I'm excited because once I find the charger for it, I'm gonna start using it because I've been using my phone, which isn't bad. Have you noticed? Like, nothing wrong with vlogging on your phone. I actually have done it for like the past 2 years. And oh my goodness, when we went to Sharon and Steve's house, Jessica's best friend was visiting and she gave us some yummy Russian treats and I'm so excited. She gave us this. It's like chocolate marshmallow. That was so nice and unexpected. And then these lemons. It's like lemon candy. I love these because we actually ate some of these at Sharon and Steve's house today and I like it. So that was really nice of her. Anyways, yeah, it was a great day. Fun family day. I loved it. And the boys are going to shower now. And I'm going to probably edit a vlog. I've been really into vlogging.
Flat forward. There you go. There you go. Okay, slow, slow, slow. Okay, a little bit more. More flapping. To the right. Turn to the right. Turn to the right. There you go.
It won't let me go.
There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Okay. Yes. Okay, here we go. You have 67 seconds to get towed. Okay, go, go, go. You have 67 seconds. Go. Follow the arrows. Get him there. Get him to that purple thing. Flap, 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 flap. Turn to
You
the
can
right.
do
Turn to the right.
it.
There you go. There you go.
Oh,
Flap,
oh,
flap, 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 flap. Up, more. They're going down. Watch out. Go, up. Okay, to the right. Dang, kitty whisperer over here.
They know. They're like, this is where I edit now because it's nice and warm. But
Yeah.
these kitties, they love to just help me edit, huh? Charlie, are you like editing it for me? Are you telling me what should be in the vlog and what shouldn't? How about you, Mr. Bob? Honestly, I think they just like it because it's warm here.
Yeah.
Because it's cold other places, but here is nice. Hi, babies. Hello, how are you? Hello, friends. Don't mind the shiny face. You know, it's my skincare routine. And, ooh, I forgot to do the roly gua sha thingy, but it's okay. I used the regular gua sha today. So last night, Justin and I watched this movie. I like scary. And if Justin wants like my full attention when it comes to like a movie, like when the kids are asleep, like it kind of has to be scary or I won't really pay attention. Like I know I can't help it. That's just like the type of movies I like to watch. Like especially if it has to do with ghosts or the paranormal. So he picked this movie called Oddity. It was good. It was real good. This girl, can I tell you a bit of the premise? So there are twins, okay? And they're adults, and one twin is blind, but she has like this ability that when she touches something, she can sense like the history or what happened, you know? And she has like an antique shop, and every piece of antique, like she can feel the energy, like it's really cool. But the sad part is her sister passed away. Her sister was unalived by someone. And so the movie is about like the psychic sister who is blind trying to figure out who did it. So it was really interesting, girl. Tell me why I guessed like what happened before it even happened. But like it was really interesting. And then tonight we're gonna figure out another scary movie to watch. I love like Friday nights and Saturday nights because we do that. The kids had a fun like gaming night with Justin too. I was just sitting there editing while they were playing, but I was still around them and the cats were with me too. They had so much fun. It was so cute to see them having fun. And yeah, recommend some scary movies, y'all. You know what are really good movies? I wish I could remember the names, but Korean films, y'all, they be scary. Like they got you jacked up. Honey, remember all the Korean movies we watched?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh. Do you remember any names so that I can share it? You can't remember, huh?
A while ago, I don't remember.
It's been a while. Oh, and then there was this girl. It wasn't a scary one, but she could fight. That one was good too.
Wasn't there one called like The Call?
The Call.
She kept getting a phone call.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, that one was so good. She was getting calls from the future. You guys, this might sound like blasphemy for someone who loves Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Cream. I was putting it on tonight and I told Justin, I was like, you know what? I think I'm over it. After like nearly a decade of that scent, I think I'm over it. I don't know why. You know what happened? The $5.95 Vanilla Romance body wash that I bought for myself, it smells sweet and good. And there's like a hint of a similarity with the Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Cream. And I thought to myself, girl, I got this $5.95 body wash from Bath & Body Works because it was on sale. It is literally cheaper than the Dial body wash that I like to use sometimes. And it is like how many times cheaper than Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Cream? Girl, let me go ahead and buy that Vanilla Romance lotion for myself. Cause shoot, I think I might switch on over. And it's like, the cream one is thick. So yeah, so I went online and I bought some. Because there were some things that I wanted to buy at the Bath & Body Works sale that wasn't like in store. Girl, my face so shiny. Yeah, but yeah, I just had to share that.